Visit matriculate.kstu.edu.gh. 2. Enter your student number and click on the login button. 3. You would be taken to a page. On the top left corner, you would see a red button which reads "You have not matriculated" and a yellow button which reads "Click here." Kindly click on the yellow button. Watch the matriculation video, scroll down, take the matriculation oath, check the box, and submit. You would receive a congratulatory message from the Vice Chancellor on a successful submission. Thank you.